Turn it down a little because it's overloading. And it doesn't sound like it's coming through the wedge to my right at all. It's all coming out of the one on the left. Test 1 2, testing 1 2 3, check. 1 2. Oh, thank you. Cardboard dog. Oh, that's a lot better. Jason, can you hear your voice back there?
Yeah, because I got earplugs in.
Okay. La la la.
Ah.
La.
Yeah, and I can hear
La.
you too. So that helps.
Bob, you can hear yourself?
I can hear myself. Eventually, I'd like to be able to hear you.
Okay, put the lead vocal into his...
He can't do it yet. We'll have to work it out later.
Yes, coming in.
I got to send it to the ear monitor.
Yeah, you haven't hooked that up yet, have you?
Yes, I have.
Oh, you have? Okay, yeah, send him to the ear monitor.
That'll be our check to see if it works.
Go ahead.
1 2 Bob, can you hear me? Bobby, can you hear me? Can you feel me in you? Bobby, can you see me?
2
Hi Bob, testing 1 2 3.
Who said 2 2? Who did that? That Mike? I think you're sending that one.
Oh.
Say something.
Test 1 2 3.
Say something, Mark.
2
Yeah, I'm getting that mic, not the front one.
Testing 1 2.
Getting the keyboard mic. I
Testing
think.
1 2. Also, my keyboard mic is somewhat louder than the center mic, and I use the center mic almost the entire show, so we got to make sure this one is pumped up about as loud as it can go. Oh! Yeah, if you could match the level on the center mic with this mic, that would be perfect.
And I'm getting them both, but at very, very small amounts. You're going to have to really slam it to me if you can.
Oh! That's better. Oh!
Alright, it's not working. Let's not worry about it.
Alright.
We'll move on.
Can I get a cappella Cardboard Dog? 1 2 3. Cardboard Dog! Cardboard Dog! Where's... Oh, that's this monitor. That's all furtsy. La 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 la. La 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 la. Oh, okay. Wow.
Sorry, I didn't know he was going to kick it on.
Okay, everybody stop a second. This, the direct guitar is like ragingly loud in the side fills. It can come down about 80%. Okay, and this wedge is completely shot. It would, if that's not fixable, it should probably just go. La 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 la, la la la, la. La, la, tugboat with my very best friend Tug. La,
Keep going.
la, la, la. La, there you go. I'm a dog that was in the back of your pickup. I love you, but now I'm super dead. Wish I had a whammy pedal on my throat. Testing 1 2. Check. So you just got it out of the chain now?
I just brought it down.
Yeah.
A good degree, so it's, you know.
All right, let's try to play something.
Good.
Okay.
Potato. Right on the verse, and then going into the chorus, into the solo. 3, 4. to just turn this off. That's just wedge. The wedge is just sheer death. Yes. La, la, hit that chord again. All right, same thing. 3, 4. Until minutes it seems, the smoke flowing to the street. I wrote some new ones called the old ones meant nothing. I hope that gravity's not going away. Insatiable is my friend. Dark existence the end. Embrace my face and spread some happiness by life. I hope that gravity's not going away. Now you go inside. Okay, for me, I'd like to have this direct guitar down even more on the sides. And I'd like to have the drummer vocal up in the sides.
Hey, check this.
Good.
Wow. What you say, chow? Squeal like a pig. Ow.
Okay, let's try it on the chorus again.
Hang on 1 second. I just reduced my keyboard level to you by about 30 or 40% because it was clipping.
Alright, play some more. You hear your vocals okay in there?
Can you work with that?
Is that good keyboard level?
I brought it,
Okay.
down.
Yeah, right now the vocals are at a pretty good level. If you can give me any more in this front wedge, that would be good. Let's try it from Now You're Going to Sing. Oh, that's cool. Thanks.
Hey, man.
Okay, now you're going to sing. 3, 4. Now you go in the same potato, yeah, potato,
When we play the eighths suspended on that, it still sounds like something is wrong.
Someone's probably making a mistake.
But it's every time. Is it me? Because if it's me, I'll change it.
Where? That's good. That's right. Let's take it from Now You're Going to Sing one more time, do the chorus, and then we'll stop, okay? Now you're going to sing. 3, 4. Now you go in the same potato, potato. Really good. It's potato, potato, potato. And it's potato, 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 potato. Oh, oh. That's good. Thank you. We're done.